Welcome to my channel Dr. Munshi Nasser Skilltone. How are you my dear learners? In this video I am going to talk about few ranked Scopus low paid journals where you can publish your next article very quickly. So without wasting any time, let's have a look of all those Scopus ranked journals, of course low paid. And of course there is another additional information is that some of them are Web of Index, which means ISI index, and for Indian learners, for them the UGC care list. All these journals are under UGC care list. These journals are multidisciplinary. It can be management, accounting, finance, economics, science, technology, computer science, and lots of them. So let's have a look at those. So first journal that we are going to talk about is the Universal Journal of Accounting and Finance. This journal covers accounting ethics, accounting information system, accounting finance, and lots of other business related topics. These are financial statement, fintech, investment, and management accounting. If you look at the journal list, you can see here that it is a Scopus index. Okay, this is a Scopus index journal, and you can see the plagiarism rate is 20%. So you have to be always keep in mind that your plagiarism rate is not more than 20%. So this is one of the journal where you can pay little bit, which means that not too much, but at least if submission fee is required for this to publish in a good paper in the next few journals. So this is the index in Scopus, and it takes 2 weeks time to check your scope, and after 45 days time the review will come, and 30 working days for publication after the acceptance. So this is a wonderful journal, low paid, and of course Scopus. This is the Universal Journal of Accounting and Finance. Okay. Next, there is another journal called the Institutions and Economics. This is University Malaysia, University Malaya. They are the prominent flagship journal, and this is also under Scopus Index. This is also under Scopus Index. And the institution and economics, it's not about the economics. It can be covered by management, accounting, business related topics, because this journal published by the faculty of business economics of University of Malaya in Malaysia. And also you can see here that the journal has some requirement, and the most important thing is that it requires a publication fee after your acceptance, which is less than $100. And he also mentioned here that the journal will take $100 submission fee if your journal is accepted. And this is, of course, you can see the effective from March 21. The publication fee is 100. You can see here that from March 2021 there will be no submission fee for the journal, but there is a publication fee of $100 per article. So this is a payment based publication, low cost. Of course $100 is not too much, but you can get a Scopus Index journal. You see Scopus Index journal if you submit here in Institutions and Economics. Okay. Borsa Istanbul Review, very good journal. Of course the Scopus Index, Web of Science Index. You can see here the Scopus Index, World Bank Abstract, Web of Science, SCCI. This is a journal where you can publish your article very quickly. Sometimes you require submission fee, sometimes you don't require any publication or submission fee for the Borsa Istanbul Review. And these topics cover investment and portfolio management, behavioral finance, capital markets, microfinance, financial risk management. So all type of management, accounting, business, and economics related topic you can submit here. And the interesting part is that this is a very quick turnaround. You can see the time of the first decision is 1.7 weeks, less than 2 weeks time you get your decision, and the review time is 3 to 3.6 weeks, which means less than a month the review will come, and publication time is 1.3 weeks, which means less than 2 weeks time. Once your paper is accepted, you can get your publication. So remember my dear learners, Borsa Istanbul Review is one of the best platform under Elsevier and Scopus where you can submit your management, accounting, business, and economics related paper. Okay. See here that the International Journal of Scientific and Technology Research, International Journal of Scientific and Technology Research. This is also an Scopus Index journal, and this also you can see that this is index, okay, in Scopus, and you see Scopus covers from 2018 to May 2020 until 2020, but they are applied for 2021 and 22. It is under review. So the call for paper is already done in 2021, and the journal will accept the scientific and technological research, and this is UGC care listed, and of course it has a very quick turnaround. Normally it takes around $100 to $200 for the submission or acceptance fee or APC fee once you get your paper reviewed. So this is one of the journal where people who are interested to submit their scientific and technological research under Scopus journal. The next one is the International Journal of Recent Technology and Engineering. Those who are interested to submit for engineering background and try to get a quick publication, this is the journal for them. This is also, you can see, Elsevier Scopus. You see Scopus logo is there, and it is Scopus Index. If you click this one, you will find out that this is Scopus Index journal, and you can see here that the deadlines of submissions and everything is given here very nicely, and all the detailed informations are given here. And this is a low paid Scopus Index journal. For Indian perspective, you may have to pay 800 rupees for this type of journal once the publication article is accepted. So the International Journal of Recent Technology and Engineering, this is one of the best engineering based journal where you can send your paper for a quick low paid Scopus publication. Okay, now the last one is the list of journal under the ARDA publications. Here one of the important thing I like is that they have a Scopus Index journal list, they have UGC care list journals, Web of Science journals, peer reviewed journals, SCCI journals as well. For example, Indian UGC care list, you can see there are two journals there. If you click the Scopus Index journal, then there are a few journals under their list like mathematics, school psychology, International Journal of Mechanical Engineering. Okay, lots of type of journal are there Scopus Index. So if you go to their website, you will find some low paid Scopus journal where you can send your paper and get your publication very quickly. And I would recommend you that these are the journal list I will share in my video description box. You can go and check those journal. But remember, my dear learners, don't plagiarize. Okay, not always the low paid Scopus journals are very good rank journal, but if you are in a hurry and you need a publication very quickly for a master's, PhD, or any promotion related type of need, in that case you may use this type of low paid journals for your quick publication. But always look for a good high rank impact factor journals for your next publications to improve your career and for better citation. Okay, but I hope these journals are also very highly ranked, Scopus Index, Web of Science Index, so you can easily send your paper to these journals. All these links are given to your our video description box, so you can download the link and you can check there, and you can go and submit and fill the author's guideline as well. And the list are also there based Scopus journals like the one that I already shared, International Journal of Energy, Economics and Policy, very good journal. I have one of my paper there. Okay, Food Science and Technology, this is one of the important journal. Health Science, you can submit. So there are a lot of journals: management, economics, engineering, technology, science, and also I have shared you few other journals. I hope this video is useful for you, those who are looking for a low paid Scopus Index journal publication for their need, for quick need. I hope they can use this list and they can get a good publications quickly in future.